Hi, today I'm going to show you a compact model train layout which I have made, which saves space as well as looks very aesthetic. So what we are seeing here is when the layout is folded, there is a painting of a scenery in the background. Now this layout is on hinges which can be pulled down using these handles, as you can see. You might see a key here as well, which means that this can be locked in if it is not in use. So very simply, this layout will open out into this bedroom on top of the bed. So what we'll do now is just pull this layout down, grab it and pull it down, and here we have a solid 6.5 feet by 4.5 feet model train layout, which currently is being built in 00 gauge. A few salient features of this layout is that the wiring has already been done underneath. So when you talk about the wiring is accessible by removing this section of the wood. So these screws can be opened up and the top board, the base board, can be just pulled out and the wiring can be worked upon and we can put it back accordingly. Since this gets folded up, there is not much space to keep too many scenic items. So what we have done over here is, you see this hut, which is the motor cover of the Hornby turntable on this layout. That's just about as much that can be folded into this background. So what we do is that anything else that I want to add on can be added on using these power clips which you see. So what that means is that these two clips have power and I can place a building on them which can take the power from this just on contact. As an alternative, I've also provided these clips that a scenic item which requires power can be just clipped onto this. The point motors have been wired to my switch console out here, and depending on my mode I can decide DC or DCC because both the transformers are available, and I can run the layout. Once this is done, it's a simple task of folding this up. You can see here that this is the base frame which is there at the background, and the base frame runs all across the length, which inside has got the hydraulic rams which assist in pushing this up, so you don't have to hurt yourself or stress yourself too much. So this is just about pushing it back up again, and with just one hand this can lock back. This time we will lock it as well. And here we have a nice painting which adds decor to your wall and does not occupy too much of space as well. Just take this opportunity to show you a small display cabinet which has been made on the side to house the locomotives. Okay, thank you everybody. Bye.